To start, I zip tied my beaded heart into bunny ear shape. And then I zip tied that to this little grapevine wreath. I got this wreath at the thrift store. Our thrift store, or one of them, has bag days where you can fill a bag and pay $5 for the bag full, or $10, depending on the size of the bag. I love it. So I get a lot of crafting things in my bags sometimes. I decided I'd have a little bell for a nose, and I didn't want it the gold, shiny gold. So I decided to do a little faux rust, and this is one way I do that, just by some cinnamon paint, and then I sprinkle the real cinnamon spice right on top when it's wet, and it gives a nice little faux rust effect, I think. And I just attach that uh, bell nose with some bronze colored wire. So I'll pull that wire tight, and then I will just put a little touch of hot glue on each side of the bell here to keep it in the middle. And I'll add some whiskers. I'm just going to use this raffia paper yarn. Uh, and then give them just a little curl. Now for a bow, I'm just going to use this burlap. It's got a little black stripe on it, but it's just keeping with the neutral tones of this project. And a little more raffia there in the center, and a little button to finish it off. I'm very pleased with how that turned out. That was a great way to repurpose that beaded heart. Let me know what you think.